OnePlus launched its new Nord series phone in India called OnePlus Nord CE4, and it is the successor of the last year launched OnePlus Nord CE3 smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE4 features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and it has a large 93.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the OnePlus Nord CE4 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with Sony IMX355 sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 100-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on Oxygen OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.5 by 75.3 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE4 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 24,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 26,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 4th, in dark chrome and celadon marble color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.